Thanks, Jess. Thanks, everyone. As you can tell from the clock, we decided that the time would be better spent on those additional questions than on you listening to me. So I hear that a lot, especially from my family, so I'm used to it. It's okay. But I did want to take the opportunity to just to thank everybody. We just spent 6 or 7 hours going over intensely interesting, to me at least, information. Each year I end this meeting going like, oh, I've got like 5,000 things I need to do now. And we're gonna have to write about 100 papers in the next month. And so get going on that, Carrie and Joshua. But really these different perspectives are so valuable to us. And the last pitch I'm gonna make is that the question I loved about who are the stakeholders, who should be involved in this? And I think I'm a data person, and so I didn't like the answers, to be totally honest, because the answer to me when I'm studying a question is I get the data that I need, not the organization that I need. In other words, not the person I need, I get the data. Who has that data? I describe the data, I quantify the needs, define the needs, and then go get that data no matter where it is. It doesn't matter if it's federal, it doesn't matter if it's a university, it doesn't matter if it's Erica's case notes, you know, right? Could be. All of those, if they're interpretable and address the question I want, is what the data that we need. And so for SAMHSA or anyone else who's doing this, it's going to be multiple different groups. It's not going to be radars, certainly not alone. I mean, it's going to be hopefully radars in part, but I'm really looking forward. And it reminds me that we've sort of seen the extinction of meetings. Well, I just read the book on cracking the code. I don't know if you know about that. The book on the discovery of CRISPR and the implementation of CRISPR, which led to a Nobel Prize, obviously. And the competitors in that group got together on a regular basis to argue out the issues of CRISPR, which is a very focused topic compared to what we're talking about. And so we need more meetings like that where we get multiple groups at the same conference, again, something that a sponsor could sponsor, right? A government organization could sponsor, to get those groups in a room and have those debates, because, you know, creative conflict or whatever you want to call it is really an important component, and the way that humans often typically resolve issues in the end. So that's my pitch. But finally, thank you for all for coming, and I hope your travels home are quick this time of day, and if not, at least as pleasurable as they can be. Thank you for attending, and we'll be in touch for sure. Thank you.